guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the people new here, my name is Ishneet Kaur and by profession I am a makeup artist. Makeup has always been my true passion and I have done quite a bit of projects. I have recently gotten the privilege of being a part of a movie called Apurva, which will soon air on Hotstar. I have even done makeup for Shankar Mahadevan. Apart from that, I have been fortunate enough to work with numerous clients, including brides, artists for ad shoots on platforms like Amazon Prime, music video, production houses, events, and even on short films. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to a brand called Happier, a brand that believes in harnessing the power of natural ingredients alongside scientific research to help you achieve a harmonious balance between your inner and outer well-being. At Happier, every single product is meticulously crafted, drawing upon extensive research and examination. The brand understands that the true happiness lies in nurturing both our inner and outer selves, and that's why they have combined the goodness of natural superfoods with scientifically backed ingredients. Now let me just show you the star of the show. This is the Happier Sun-days Dewy Sunscreen Stick with SPF 50 and PA+++. This sunscreen stick is a game changer. It glides so smoothly onto your skin and it leaves behind a gorgeous glowing finish that suits all skin types. But that's not all it does. This powerful formula offers an impeccable shield against both UVA and UVB rays, ensuring your skin is protected from sun damage during direct sun exposure. What sets this sunscreen stick apart is its commitment to purity. It is fragrance-free, synthetic dye-free, mineral oil-free, cruelty-free, and dermatologically tested, making it an exceptional choice for those who prioritize clean and ethical beauty. Plus, it's meticulously designed to leave no white cast, spreading effortlessly on your skin and seamless blend in for a natural look. The best part is that it's a non-sticky formula, providing you with a comfortable and a lightweight feel all day long. I'm just going to quickly show you on the back of my hand how this looks. Look at this, there's no freaking white cast whatsoever. Just look. Nothing at all. It has an impressive ingredient list. It's enriched with potent superfoods like blueberry extract and licorice extract. It not only shields your skin from the harmful effects of the sun, but also nourishes it from within. These powerful ingredients work to enhance your skin's health and radiance, giving you a luminous glow that lasts throughout the day. I must confess, the Happier Sun-days Dewy Sunscreen Stick has become an absolute favorite in my skincare routine. Now, its ability to provide maximum sun protection, deliver a radiant finish, and cater to all skin types is truly remarkable. Plus, with its commitment to purity, you can be rest assured that your skin is receiving the utmost care it deserves. Alright guys, now it's time to see how this sunscreen stick looks on top of my makeup. Look at that. It's not budged. And you want to see how much has come out? But just look at this. I don't even need to spread it on my face. That's how good this is. Okay, let's do it on the blush. I can't believe it doesn't disturb my makeup at all. There is no smudging, there is no smearing, just pure perfection. It doesn't even leave any white cast behind. It seamlessly blends into my skin, giving it a natural radiant glow. It comes for around $5.95 and you get 13 grams of product. They were incredibly kind to include a complimentary candle. Mine looks like this is because, it's used. I've legit tried all sorts of candles in the past, like from your high-end brands to affordable options. However, this jasmine bubble candle has truly impressed me with its exceptional fragrance. It is just priced at $275. It stands out as one of the best candles I've ever used. I'm saying best is because within 5 to 10 minutes of lighting the candle, the room has such a wonderful fragrance. Usually with other candles, I struggle to get the fragrance throughout the room. I mean, if you're a candle lover, you know what I'm talking about. So this does it so good. Like, you enter the room and there's such a wonderful fragrance entirely filled up, which just feels amazing. They've also included this incredible essential oil that will help you relax and unwind. The benefits of this product are truly amazing. It reduces stress, uplifts and smooths the mind, calms the nerves, and even improves the quality of your sleep. Not to mention, its soothing and long-lasting fragrance creates a peaceful and a tranquil atmosphere in your space. It is a beautiful blend of top notes like rose, lavender, and rosemary, renowned for their ability to relieve anxiety and stress. You can enjoy an exclusive discount by applying my special coupon code ISHNEETKAUR on your total order from Happier. It's a fantastic opportunity to transform your home into a haven of relaxation. As we've come to the end of this video, I really want to thank you all for joining in. I have even shared my review on the CeraVe Sunscreen Stick in case you guys would want to check that out. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with your loved ones, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more incredible content. I'll see you in my next one.